take innovation as the mission of Guangdong TC Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd. Regional name Fashion TC Woodworking Machinery Co., Ltd. and Fashion Tanki Electric Motor Co., Ltd. was founded in 2006, owns a modernized production base of around 7 SQM, has set up many brand marketing companies throughout the country gradually, with staff by 26 employees. Located at Jiangmen City, Guangdong, China, and operated center in Shanghai, Foshan, Guangdong. We specializes in designing and manufacturing surface decorative wrapping, laminating machines, spread glue, laminate decorative films on the surface of complex shapes, flat panels. Main products are as following. All products sells to overall China and many different countries. Currently, factory has over a perfect after-sales service team and with a designer team of years experience. Also, to offer customers the qualified and competitive price products and ensure the best shipment time, we not only assemble machines, but also produce and sell machine components and accessories. In addition, we can customize machines according to your requirement. Support to your best products. Welcome your inquiry and expect to work with you together and offer you the best service. Through many years' arduous effort and development plan, the comprehensive strength of TC has been increasing stably, realizing the strategic goal of sustainable and sound development. The popularity and reputation degree of its brand increase. If you would like more information about our equipment, please contact us. Thank you.